In this video, I will cover examples for algebra and polynomials. First example, 11x raised to 4 y raised to 3 minus 3x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4 y raised to 3 plus 6x raised to 4. Here we can see this one x raised to 4 y raised to 3 is like term with x raised to 4 y raised to 3, and here x raised to 4 and here also x raised to 4. So we can write like this: 11 x raised to 4 y raised to 3, then this one 6 x raised to 4 y raised to 3. After that this one plus 6 x raised to 4 minus 3 x raised to 4. So this is the one and this is second. So 11 minus 6 is 5. So 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So 5 x raised to 4 y raised to 3. Here's plus 6 minus 3. So 3 x raised to 4. So answer is 5 x raised to 4 y raised to 3 plus 3 x raised to 4. Next example, 3x square minus 4y plus 3 in the bracket plus in the bracket minus x square plus 3y minus 5 in the bracket. So here x square, here also x square. So these are like terms. This also y and y. So we can write like this: 3x square minus 4y plus 3 minus x square plus 3y minus 5. So here is, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2x square. Here minus 4, here plus 3y. So minus y plus 3 minus 5. So minus 2. So 2x square minus y minus 2. This is the answer. Next, subtract polynomials. 5x raised to 3y minus 5x square plus 9 in the bracket minus in the bracket 3x raised to 3y minus 7x square plus 7. Here minus sign. So this one will become minus sign. Sign will change when we remove bracket. Then this sign will be changed to plus, because outside of bracket this sign is minus. This plus also will change to the minus because outside is minus. So minus and plus sign will convert to minus. Here minus is plus sign. So next step is 5x raised to 3y minus 5x square plus 9. It is the same as above. Minus 3x raised to 3y plus 7x square minus 7. So here we can see this one and this one like terms. Here x square, here also x square. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2x raised to 3y. Here minus 5 and here plus 7. So plus 2. Plus 2x square. Here plus 9. Here minus 7. So plus 2. So answer is 2x raised to 3y plus 2x square plus 2. Next example. 3 in the bracket 2x minus 5 close the bracket minus in the bracket x minus 5 close the bracket is equal to 25. So here 3 times 2 is 6x minus 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So minus 15 minus x, and this minus and minus sign will convert to plus. So plus 5 is equal to 25. So next step, as we discussed, 6x minus 15 minus x plus 5 is equal to 25. Here this x and this is also x. So 6x minus x is equal to 5x, and here minus 15 plus 5 is equal to minus 10. So 5x minus 10 is equal to 25. So here minus 10. So we will add plus 10 on the both the sides. So plus 10 here and plus 10 this side. So equation will be 5x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 25 plus 10. Here 10 is minus, here 10 is plus, so we can cancel both. So final 5x 35. Now we can divide both sides by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. 5x divided by 5 is equal to 35 divided by 5. Here 5 cancel, and here it will be the 5 times 7 is equal to 35. So x is equal to 7. Now next example, 3x minus 7 greater than or equal to 2. So here we can add 7 this side and we can add 7 on this side also. So equation will be 3x minus 7 plus 7 greater than or equal to 2 plus 7. So we can cancel this minus 7 and plus 7. Here 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So 3x greater than or equal to 9. Now we can divide this one with 3, and this side also we can divide with 3. So it will be 3x divided by 3 greater than or equal to 9 divided by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So answer will be x greater than or equal to 3. Next example, 2x over 3 minus x over 5 is equal to 21. Now denominator are different. One is 3 and one is 5. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So we will multiply this side 5 divided by 5 and this side we will multiply with 3 divided by 3. So denominator will be same 15. So we can write like this, 2x multiply with 5 divided by 3 multiply with 5 minus x multiply with 3 divided by 5 multiply with 3 is equal to 21. So further we can write 10x here minus sign 3x, both side 15. So denominator will be 15 is equal to 21. So 10x minus 3x is equal to 7x. So 7x divided by 15 is equal to 21. Now both side we can multiply with 1 over 7. So next step will be 7x divided by 15 multiply with 1 over 7 is equal to 21 multiply with 1 over 7. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21. On other side 7 and 7 are same factor, it will cancel. So it will be x divided by 15 is equal to 3. So we can write like this, x divided by 15 is equal to 3. Here both side we can multiply with 15. 15 multiply. This side also multiply 15. So we can write like this. So 15 are similar. 3 times 15 is equal to 45. So x is equal to 45. Next, x minus 4 divided by 5 is equal to x plus 2 divided by 3. So we can write like this. This 3 will multiply with x minus 4 like this is equal to, this 5 will go here, 5 multiply with x plus 2. So next equation will be 3 in the bracket x minus 4 is equal to 5 x plus 2. We further simplify. So 3x minus 4 times 3 is 12 is equal to 5x plus 5 multiply with 2 is equal to 10. Now we will add minus 3x on the both the side. So minus 3x here and this side also minus 3x. So equation will be 3x minus 12 minus 3x is equal to 5x plus 10 minus 3x. So this is plus 3x and this is minus 3x. So minus 12 is equal to 5x minus 3x means 2x plus 10. So minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now we will add on both side minus 10, here minus 10 and this side also minus 10. So equation will be minus 12 minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 10 minus 10. So here plus 10 minus 10 both are same. We can cancel both. Here minus 12 minus 10 is equal to minus 22. So 2x is equal to minus 22. We can multiply both sides with 1 over 2. Here also 1 over 2. So answer will be x is equal to minus 11. Because these two will cancel and 2 times 11 is equal to 22. Hope this video helped you understand different examples for algebra and polynomial. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.